Hello, welcome to Great Garden, a place where I share planting and plant care tips to help your garden stay green, healthy, and blooming all year round. To give you more options when caring for orchids with organic fertilizer, today I will share a very simple plant care tip that only uses familiar ingredients available in the kitchen. When this method is applied correctly, the plant will show very clear changes. Roots grow strong, white, thick, and firmly attached to the growing medium. Leaves become darker green, thicker and shinier, helping the plant photosynthesize better. Flowers form more buds, bloom evenly, have vibrant colors, and last longer before fading. If you love growing plants and want your garden to always stay lush and healthy, let's explore this method together. Let's get started. Do you have potatoes at home? Potatoes contain a lot of starch, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and some minerals such as potassium, which are very beneficial for plants. This is a sprouted potato. It is no longer suitable for human consumption, but you can still use it to care for orchids. First, I use a knife to remove the skin of the potato. The potato peel also contains some minerals and natural micronutrients. However, it often retains impurities from the outside environment, so removing the peel before processing will help the solution become purer and more stable. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, cut all the potato peel into small slices as shown in the video. Cutting it into small pieces helps the nutrients in the potato peel release and dissolve into the water more easily. As a result, the solution obtained will be richer in nutrients and the plant can absorb it more effectively when used. After that, I put all the cut potato peel into a glass cup. Next, add about 500 milliliters boiling water into the cup, so the nutrients in the potato peel can be extracted and dissolved into the water better. Then stir the mixture well, so the components in the potato peel disperse evenly in the water, helping the solution mix uniformly and increasing its effectiveness when used for plants. Finally, close the lid and let the solution sit for 1 hour. At the same time, I use garlic as the next ingredient. I use 4 cloves of garlic for this method. Garlic contains allicin, vitamin B, vitamin C, and some minerals, which help fight bacteria, limit fungal diseases, and increase plant resistance. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, use a knife and cut the garlic into small slices as shown in the video. Cutting it into small pieces helps the natural compounds and active substances in the garlic release more easily and dissolve better into the water when preparing the solution. As a result, the solution will work more effectively when used for plants. Next, put all the sliced garlic into 1 clean glass cup. Add 500 milliliters hot water. so the compounds in the garlic can be extracted and dissolved better into the water, making the solution richer in active substances when used for plants. Finally, close the lid and let the solution sit for about 1 hour so the nutrients from the garlic fully infuse into the water, creating a natural solution that can be used to care for plants. After that, I lightly rinse the plant with clean water. While waiting for the solution to cool down a little, I want to share a small but very important tip when fertilizing orchids. That is to moisten the plant and the growing medium before applying any nutrient solution. Watering beforehand helps the orchid roots become moist and adapt to the humidity of the growing medium, thereby preventing the plant from shock when directly exposed to fertilizer. When the root system already has enough moisture, the orchid will absorb nutrients more slowly and steadily, while also reducing the risk of root burn or yellow leaves. You only need to lightly water with clean water, then proceed to use the nutrient solution in the next step. After about 10 minutes, I will take the orchid pot out and let it drain. After about 1 hour of soaking, I filter the mixture through a strainer to remove the residue, keeping only the extracted water from the potato peel. This water is the natural solution used to care for the plant. At the same time, I also filter the garlic mixture in the same way, removing all the residue and keeping only the clear liquid. At this step, I combine the two solutions together to create a natural nutrient mixture for the plant. So now we have obtained two natural solutions ready to be used for plants. Finally, add about 1 liter of clean water into the solution to dilute the mixture. That is it. Now, use this fertilizer solution to water the orchids. Method 1. First, pour the prepared potato peel and garlic solution into a clean glass cup. Then use cotton or a soft cloth to gently absorb the solution and wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust, residue, and impurities that accumulate over time on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and airy. When the leaves are clean, the plant can absorb light better, helping photosynthesis become more effective. The solution from potato peel and garlic also contains some nutrients and natural compounds that can help nourish the leaves, making orchid leaves greener, thicker, and stronger over time. You can wipe the leaves periodically about once a month, or whenever the leaves become dusty to keep the orchid pot clean and growing well. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. Pour the diluted potato peel solution combined with garlic solution into a spray bottle. Then lightly and evenly spray over the entire orchid plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and even the leaf axils. This mixture provides natural nutrients from potato peel while also using the antibacterial properties of garlic, helping orchids increase resistance and limit the growth of harmful fungi or bacteria. When spraying, spray evenly on both the upper and lower sides of the leaves to clean dust and help the leaf surface become more airy. As a result, the orchid leaves can photosynthesize better and the plant grows more steadily. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so the leaves, stems, and roots have time to absorb the solution. If you see water remaining on the leaves or inside the leaf axils, you should use a soft cloth or clean cotton to gently wipe it. This step helps prevent water from remaining too long, reducing the risk of prolonged moisture, which is one of the causes of fungal diseases or leaf rot and crown rot in orchids. Method 3. Next, I pour the potato peel solution combined with garlic solution into a watering can, then gently water around the base of the orchid plant. This watering method helps supply natural nutrients from potato peel while also using the antibacterial properties of garlic to support root development and help orchids increase resistance. You can water periodically about once a week. When the orchid has grown stably, it can be reduced to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain nutrients for the plant. When watering, do it gently with a moderate amount of water, avoiding too much water remaining in the pot. This helps the roots absorb nutrients better, while keeping the growing medium airy and limiting the risk of fungal diseases. Results after 2 months. The orchid leaves become darker green, thicker, and shinier. The leaf surface looks firm and full of vitality. New young leaves continue to grow strongly, helping the plant photosynthesize better and nourish the shoots to develop steadily. The root system also improves significantly. Many new roots appear with bright white color, healthy green root tips, and they firmly attach to the growing medium. Thanks to the strong root system, the plant absorbs water and nutrients more effectively, making the overall plant stronger and more vigorous than before. In addition, flower spikes and flower buds begin to form evenly, developing strongly and preparing for the blooming stage. More buds appear, with fuller size. When they bloom, the flowers keep their bright color and last longer before fading, making the orchid pot more vibrant and lively. These positive changes come from the natural solution made from potato peel and garlic. Potato peel provides some natural nutrients that support plant development, while garlic helps limit fungi and bacteria, contributing to keeping the orchid healthier during growth. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried using potato peel and garlic to care for orchids? Share your experience in the comments. I would love to hear the story from your garden. This is the well-deserved result of patient care. When nurtured properly, orchids will reward you with strong vitality and their natural beauty. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss simple but effective orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.